Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at two of the most popular parental control services out there, mSpy and EyeZy. I'll specifically be comparing all the remote control features these apps offer, and I'll give my final verdict on which app is best later on. So if you want to learn more about the remote control features of these apps and see which one is the most suitable for your household, then this video is going to be for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to test out either of these apps for yourself, you'll find all the useful links including discounts in the description down below to help save you some extra money. Now, before we talk about features these two offer, let's talk about parental control services in general. They're basically software tools that help parents keep track of what their kids are doing online. Nowadays, with the internet and smartphones being so prevalent, it's become more important than ever to make sure our kids are safe online. These apps allow you to do things like block inappropriate content, limit how much time your child spends on their device, and even keep an eye on their location and online conversations. Two popular examples of these apps are mSpy and EyeZy. They both have similar features, but there are some differences that you'll want to keep in mind when deciding which one is right for you. Now, with that being said, let's talk about remote control features. For starters, both mSpy and EyeZy are great apps for monitoring your child's phone activity. You can easily see their text messages, emails, and social media messages on various platforms. mSpy is currently capable of monitoring WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram, while EyeZy can monitor Tinder, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Instagram. Now, when it comes to call logs, both mSpy and EyeZy provide detailed reports on who your child has been calling, when they called, and how long the calls lasted. You can see all this information on your dashboard in real time. Moving on to website and app management. Both apps allow you to block certain websites and apps. This is a great way to make sure your child is not accessing any content you don't want them to see. But there is a slight difference in how these apps handle app blocking. With mSpy, the app usage is completely blocked, while EyeZy only places a black screen on the app, which can drain your child's battery life. And another remote control feature these two services offer is location tracking. Both mSpy and EyeZy have excellent tracking capabilities and a geo-fence feature, which allows you to set restricted zones for your child, and whenever your child enters and leaves these zones, you receive a notification. However, mSpy has an advantage over EyeZy in this area, as it offers GPS tracking, while EyeZy requires a constant internet connection to work properly. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that EyeZy doesn't provide live updates. Instead, it refreshes every 15 minutes, and this includes blocking websites and apps, which means that you may need to wait a little bit before changes take effect, which is a bit of a bummer. But realistically speaking, most parents check the dashboard whenever they receive an alert instead of monitoring 24/7, so in the grand scheme of things, this really won't affect you that much. On top of all the features I mentioned, both apps offer keylogger features where you can choose specific words to watch out for and get notified when they appear on screen. But in my personal experience, mSpy performs better in this area since EyeZy tends to detect the same message multiple times, which can clutter the dashboard and look a little bit like spam. And on top of that, both apps allow you to view your child's browsing history and see which sites they visit frequently. Now, one feature that EyeZy has that I haven't seen any other service provide, including mSpy, is the plan breaker feature. With EyeZy, you can view your kid's entire calendar, including any events or notes about these events. And on top of that, if they have a location shared for these events or any links, you'll get to access those too. Now that I covered all the notable remote control features, let's talk a bit about pricing since it might affect your choice later on. When it comes to pricing, EyeZy and mSpy are fairly similar, with EyeZy starting at $48 per month and mSpy starting at $50 per month. However, if you opt for the annual plan, EyeZy drops its price to $9.99 per month, while mSpy goes down to $12 per month. It's important to note that EyeZy's plan covers only one device, while mSpy covers 3. So if you have only one child to monitor, EyeZy is a more affordable option, but if you have multiple children, mSpy becomes a more valuable choice. So which one is better? In my opinion, both of these apps are great for parental control software and offer similar features. If you want an app that can monitor multiple children and offer live updates, mSpy may be the better choice. However, if you have only one child and want a more affordable option that also offers the plan breaker feature along with many other similar options that mSpy provides, EyeZy is a great choice. However, if you have only one child and want a more affordable option that also offers the plan breaker feature along with many other similar options that mSpy provides, EyeZy is a great choice. And so that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you'd like to check out these two apps for yourself, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I really like getting to interact with you guys. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.